What if a weekend could transport you to a city where cobblestone streets echo with history, pastel homes flirt with southern charm, and every bite tells a story? Welcome to Charleston, South Carolina, a coastal gem where elegance meets adventure. Charleston is not just a destination, it's a mood. Begin your weekend by strolling through the historic district, where 18th century mansions, gaslit alleyways, and horse-drawn carriages set the tone. Don't miss Rainbow Row, an Instagram dream and a symbol of the city's timeless appeal. As you wander through Waterfront Park, let the ocean breeze guide you to the iconic Pineapple Fountain. From there, hop on a harbor cruise or visit Fort Sumter for a deep dive into American history. But Charleston isn't just about the past, it thrives in the present through its vibrant art galleries and buzzing nightlife. When hunger strikes, you're in the right place. Charleston is a foodie's paradise. Start your day with buttery biscuits at Callie's Hot Little Biscuit. For lunch, indulge in shrimp and grits at Fleet Landing, where the view of the Cooper River competes with the cuisine. As the sun sets, dine beneath string lights in the French Quarter, perhaps at Husk or Poogan's Porch, where low-country cuisine gets a gourmet twist. Looking for a beach escape? Just a short drive brings you to Folly Beach or Sullivan's Island, perfect for soaking in the sun or catching a golden hour like no other. If time allows, explore the lush gardens of Magnolia Plantation or take a ghost tour through haunted mansions after dark. Charleston is where history, hospitality, and the heat of the South blend into one unforgettable weekend. Whether you're in it for the food, the views, or the slow southern rhythm, you'll find something that pulls at your soul. Have you ever wandered Charleston's charming streets, or is this southern escape next on your dream weekend list?